Congress MDC from Khadc, Charles Marngar, has expressed his happiness over the move of the Executive Committee of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council under the leadership of Titos W. Kine to oppose the MOU signed between Assam and Meghalaya to resolve the first phase of boundary dispute between the two states. He said that he is raising the issue since the recent boundary resolution is bound to have an impact on many areas which share boundaries with Assam. Worried about the negative impact of the current MOU, he also pointed out that Ribhoi district has several areas which share disputed boundaries with Assam. He, however, reminded that there are some MDCs who have also supported the MOU.
Namar ba kiong ba ka consultancy ki jongki kila sohon namar ba borok kisnong ki wando rapo Meghalaya ndai kum kinong yalam na kwa bano ni ba yimde banhon tang na kamata ka consultancy na jong ding hapan perkhadro nong taki wei consultancy.
The 5-day training program